Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today I want to discuss the Anker SD Card Reader. Now I purchased this probably around a year ago, and I want to just quickly go over like how to actually use this device, and if you're looking for this device on Amazon, if you should actually pick it up. To sum up this video, I think you should. I think it's a very practical tool, and it's very easy to use. So use cases for this: you have an SD card or micro SD card that you use in like your camera, DSLR, what have you, digital camera. You take that and you plug it in here, and then using the two ends, so it's versatile, right? Like we have a USB 3.0 side right here. As you can see, it's blue. And then on the other side, so it comes with two caps, which is nice. So these aren't exposed to damage. We have a USB C port, so that can plug into smartphones. You can actually transfer files from your DSLR camera to your smartphone. So say you're like making TikTok content, making Instagram content, like using a high quality camera, you can convert that, or not convert it, transfer that to your smartphone, upload it straight there instead of storing it on your computer or on your camera, right? Like the biggest problem is getting those files from your camera onto something where you can actually upload it to the internet. So how to use it: I have my camera right here. Open the latch, take out the SD card. So it's right here. Here's my SD card, 128 gigabyte, and it's 150 megabyte per second speed, so super fast. Plug it in here, just like slides in like that. It's super simple, super straightforward. And then I remove this cap, and then I plug it directly into my PC, and it'll show up as a external drive. You can click into it, click DCIM. That'll access all the photos and videos, and from there you can basically just do whatever you want with the files. Should you pick this up? Yes, I think it's a great tool, and I highly recommend this. So yeah, Anker, high quality products. Go check it out. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.